My name is Susan Henderson. I'm the project manager for Placemakers. We were the consultant on the San Marcos Form-Based Code. And what we did Friday night was the final presentation, most of which you can see here on the website. And it's a culmination of a week's hard work and some major participation from the part of the city, citizens, staff, elected officials. That's really been very impressive. So what you're going to see as you look at the images below is how the form-based code really is the implementation device of the downtown plan. You all have done a lot of hard work in adopting that plan in 2008, actually building the plan. You already built consensus, which made our jobs very easy and very enjoyable because everyone was on the same page. And meeting after meeting that we had, you had some clear and common goals, and the only frustration or skepticism that we encountered was that as of yet there was no implementation tool. So that's what this code is, and it was one of the first items recommended in your downtown plan. So a few highlights of what you're going to see as you go through the images below are you're going to see a regulating plan, which is another word for a zoning map. And it's going to, if you notice the comparison between your current zoning map and the new zoning map, you currently have 26 zones in this one study area. In the new map, there's 6. And so it makes things very clear and very concise, and it reflects the character of the places within San Marcos that are very well beloved. Next, you're going to see a series of illustrations. A number of local property owners were willing to have us look at their parcels and show possibilities of things that could happen with using the form-based code. Now, I want to be clear that these are just illustrations, and what actually comes out of the ground likely will be quite different. But this is just showing how the code would be implemented. And then finally, you're going to see some issues concerning traffic. Traffic was a major concern, and will continue to be, but fortunately the city, both with the code and then also with the traffic management plan that's a separate strategy, the city is really looking to address your current traffic issues. One of the things you'll be seeing likely before too terribly long is the conversion of a lot of the one-ways to two-ways to make traffic flow more smoothly. And finally, you're going to see a number of illustrations of these illustrative plans. Once again, just illustrations, but showing in 3 dimensions from street level what this actually would look like. And then one final computer illustration is really probably the most interesting, which shows how the evolution of doing one thing at a time would actually allow the implementation of the code to take place. And that location is at right at the University Drive, facing the new development that is coming online with the university. Thank you.